Welcome to our workshop.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Samir Singha, a second year mechanical engineering student in Mallavur Institute of Technology, Vishnupur. Welcome to the beating heart of innovation and creativity, the mechanical engineering workshops at MIT Vishnupur. Join us as we dive into a world of hands-on learning, exploration and limited possibilities. Our workshops are more than just spaces for building machines. They are incubators of ideas where theoretical knowledge meets practical application. Here students have the opportunity to turn their designs into reality and unleash their creativity. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and guided by experienced faculty, our workshops offer students the tools they need to bring their visions to life. From precision machining to advanced robotics, there is no limit to what you can create. But the true magic of our workshops lies in the collaborative spirit that permeates every project. Here, students work together, learn from each other, and push the boundaries of what possible. All while forging lifelong friendships and memories. Ignite your passions of innovations and engineering excellence at the Mechanical Engineering Workshops of MIT Vishnupur. Join us as we embark on a journey of discovery, innovation, and endless possibility. Your future begins from here. Thank you.